Hi everybody, this is Alex Pastana here again with Trimec with another episode in our Know Your Materials series. And today I'm actually going to be showcasing two materials that sort of go hand in hand with each other, Vero UltraBlack and UltraWhite. So for those that don't know, PolyJet technology is a resin-based technology where resins are dispersed on the build platform to create super lifelike full color models because we can dispense multiple resins at the same time. So where UltraBlack and UltraWhite fit in is they are new blacks and whites that are highly pigmented. So a lot more pigment in these materials, which makes them highly opaque. So what this allows is two main things. It allows for the minimum thickness to achieve accurate color goes down from 4 millimeters to 2 millimeters. So for thinner models, having that accurate color representation is now possible. What that opaqueness also allows is for sharper color transitions. So if you're transitioning from a white to a black, that edge doesn't bleed as much and it is much sharper. And in the next slides and some video that I've taken, I have a couple of models that we printed on our machines here at Trimec to sort of showcase what the new Ultra materials can do. So let's get into it. So looking at this first part here, we have a white shell with some black lettering. And on the back end of this, there is a red color. Now, something like this would be very difficult to do without these ultra-pigmented colors for a couple of reasons. So the color, so the color from the white to the black, where you see like the word hello, that transition from white to black would have some bleed through from either side. And now, as you can see with the opaque colors, they're much sharper. The other thing too is looking at the front of the part, you don't see any of the pink color, but it's clearly on the back of the part. So having that opaque color again allows for us to do, multiple colors without any sort of bleed through on the front between the colors that are facing you or anything that's on the other side of the part. So here's another good example of what those opaque materials can do. So here we have a darker black with some lighter colors on front, and then on the back is that light green color. And as you can see, on either side, there's no bleed through of color, and the colors are pretty sharp, which we wouldn't be able to do if we didn't have super opaque colors like the new UltraBlack and UltraWhite. And here you're going to see basically a direct side-by-side. So in the middle here is going to be the normal Vero colors, normal Vero whites, and on the left and the right are going to be using the new Ultra colors. So as you can see on this middle part, the blue almost has sort of a halo effect around the edges and throughout the model, and that's just due to the less opaque white material. And then on either side of those, using the new UltraWhite material, all of the transitions are very, very sharp. And there is your quick overview on the Vero Ultra materials. We're really excited to see how Vero UltraWhite and UltraBlack, help take full color PolyJet to the next level. These materials are already available for the J7 and J8 series machines, so you can go and get these materials and start printing with them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Trimec and keep tuned to Trimec's blogs and videos for more information on these new PolyJet materials and all of the other products and services we offer. Thank you.